This is how I made $1,000 trading NASDAQ.
What is up, guys? Let's do a trade recap on the trade that I took on NASDAQ. So yeah, let's get into it. So for us to understand this trade, we have to start on the higher time frames. So on the higher time frames, we have this unmitigated 4 hour that could be our draw, and we also hit this 4 hour fair value gap. And I also said that we want to go down to these lows right here, that we created the equal lows. So I am still bearish, even though we have broken structure. I do still believe that we will go further down. Now this may just return back here and then go up, but I still have conviction that we will go lower. But in this case, I took this trade because we have this unmitigated 4 hour fair value gap. Let's jump into the 15 minute. On the 15 minutes, if we zoom in, we see that we took out the size, and if we go on ES, we had a SMT on the size. So on NASDAQ, we took out these size, and on ES we took out the size. So we had an SMT. I know that other people also took this trade. It was a good setup, so I understand why people took it. So I noticed that we changed character right here, and that we were disrespecting fair value gaps to bullish fair value gaps. So I just waited for a confirmation that we was going to go lower. We also have this equal lows. So I took the trade based on this fair value gap right here. And also, this is from experience, if you see a pattern like this, which goes slowly up, so like consolidating upwards into a fair value gap, this usually means that we will break and just fall down. And same goes for bullish. If we consolidate like this, slowly, like this, and then we do something like this, we usually shoot up afterwards. So the same goes for both upside and downside. So that's just something to keep an eye out for. And after I saw that, I took my entry. Stops were above this inverse, and then I targeted these ones, and I also targeted right here, but we got stopped out at break even before that. So we hit our first TP and then got stopped out of the trade after that. But it eventually hit, so it would have been a nice trade, but we got stopped at our break even. So that's it was a good trade overall. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this trade recap. I blew my last funded 100k, so I bought a new one, and we are currently down because I took a really stupid trade. It doesn't show here because I took it on my phone, but we are still down just 0.6%, so that's nothing to worry about. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you guys know, just to show you that I also do make mistakes, and we are all learners until we have achieved profitability. So yeah, and I haven't done that yet. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this trade recap, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.